Hi student, myself Dr. Prakash Salve, Associate Professor, Department of Geography, रयत शिक्षण संस्थाच महाराजा जिवाजीराव शिंदे महाविद्यालय श्रीगोंदा, डिस्ट्रिक्ट अहमदनगर, affiliated by Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune. Now, today we discuss FY BSc Choice Based Credit System syllabus to be implemented from academic year 2019 to 2020. Semester first, paper first. Okay, now the title of paper, Introduction to Physical Geography, paper first, unit number first, Introduction of Geomorphology. The first point is today discuss about Introduction to Physical Geography and its branches. Now let us go to first point. First of all, the geography asks these questions, some questions. For example, where is it? Then what is there? What are the people like? Then what are the effect of it being there? Then what do they do? What action is appropriate? Why is it there? Why there? How did it get there? How do they live? So many questions. How and why is the changing over times? How does it affects people and natural environments? Then these questions are asking. So the geography is the mother of science because of each and every branch to start in geography. So the branch of geography is the mother of science. Now come to the first point. Geography has gained subsistence amount of importance to dates. Mystery of the earths. Geography was descriptive subject in the past, but today geography is the scientific inquiry about its physical and non-physical sphere. It studies areal differentiations of geographical factors, their interrelationship and consequence upon human livings. As a matter of fact, all these changes are not justifiable. Majority of them are harmful to nature set up for exams. Natural vegetable response to climate, elements such as temperature, amount of rainfall, humidity, but today human action create increasing various problems. For example, global warming, ozone depletions, etc. Now, geography is the science which treats the relation between earth and man. Geography is the mother of science. The term of geography was first used by the Greek scholar Eratosthenes in the 3rd century before Christ, 276 to 194. This is the photographs of Eratosthenes. These nicknames and the birthplace, etc. It derived from a Greek word. Geo means earth and graphy means description. Okay? Geo means earth and graphy means descriptions. So that geography as discipline in a focus to descriptions of the earth's surface as the world of man. Now, the history of geography, the physical geography, the first individual of accurately calculate the circumference of the earth was Greek geographers. Eratosthenes. This is the actually Egypt, Africa. He worked in the library of Alexandria. He believed the world was round. Eratosthenes calculate the equatorial circumference to be 14,233 kilometers using a simple geometric relationships. Here, the techniques of measuring the sun rays. Measurement of earth using the modern satellite technology have captured to circumference to be 40,072 kilometers. The near about the distance to search in Eratosthenes. It is derived from a Greek geo means earth and graphy means description like this. Then the Roman also made a several important addition to geographical knowledge. One is the Strabo, the 64 before Christ to after 20. The wrote in 17 volume called Geographia. This type of this Strabo and the map. Create a map. Draw some material and geographical knowledge in the approximately 17 books published. Houston 1959 as a discipline geography is the concern to provide accurate orderly relation descriptions and interpretations of valuable characters of the earth's surface. First of all, in the 20th to 14th century is called Dark Age because of in this period no significance to develop of geomorphology could take place during the age of 2nd century to 14th century as full prevailed in the developments of geographical knowledge with the fall of Roman empires. म्हणजे त्या कालखंडामध्ये या ठिकाणी तेथील लोकांवर रोमन साम्राज्याचं वर्चस्व होतं आणि त्यांनी सांगितलं की ही पृथ्वी जी आहे ती आकाशातील बाप्पाने निर्माण केलेली आहे आणि त्यामुळं त्याच्या विरोधात कोणी बोलायचं नाही. ओके. म्हणून फारसा विकास झाला नाही. नो डेव्हलप, नो चेंज द जिओग्राफिकल एट ऑल. देन द आफ्टर 14th or 15th century, then they discovered in the various places. The first 2 decades in the 19th century and first 2 decades of 20th century are considered a golden age because it was this period when for the first time general theory of landscape development was propounded by W.M. Davis, and from analysis attended its final shape. And then Plato, Aristotle and Alexander, the scientists give a importance of geography. In this early time of geography as an independent subject has no place in curriculum. Therefore, geography was the description of the earth. Aristotle explained eclipse and give a concept of spherical of the earth. Marco Polo, who accompanied as the father of Nicola, the journey to China was the first traveler to have a tracked a route across the whole length of Asia. And Immanuel Kant made an effort to find a foundations for geography within a frame of work of other science. In the 19th century, both views were prevalent, that is, the geography is the pure science and geography as the study of environment influence. Now, geography, when the geographical study, the vast, this time the main 2 branches, physical geography and human geography. They are the main branches of the geography. The physical geography to study morphology, climatology, soil, biogeography, oceanography, like this, and human geography related to human activities. The economical geography, political geography, social geography, historical geography, population geography, anthropogeography, etc. Related to human activity, and the physical geography deals with the physical properties. They involve the study of physical sphere, like this the plateau plain and mountainous region, rivers, interior of the earth, the rock structures. So, climatology, the various structure of atmosphere, etc. Then the human geography involves the study of interaction between physical sphere and man, where the center of interest is on man. Okay. Here the physical geographical, this is the fact, features studied in these features, and human geography is studied in these subjects. Okay. Geomorphology. Geomorphology is the sub branch of physical geography, but presently it has developed into the independent subject of today, because of the subject knowledge is the very vast, developed, and so this branch is separately studied in geomorphology. The term of geomorphology stems from the three Greek words, that is, geo means earth, morphe means form, and logos means discourse. Geomorphology may be defined as a scientific study of surface features of the earth surface, involving the interrupting descriptions of landforms, their origin, development, nature, and mechanism of geomorphological process which involve the landforms. It is a concern with the study of landforms on the earth's surface. Yeah. Earth's surface landforms, this the mountainous region, in this river basin, this itself, not only with the analysis of sphere of landforms, but so with the erosional and depositional process of work on them and their evolution through time. Some of the major philosophic features of the earth, such as mountain chain, continental plain, and ocean basin, result in internal earth force. Then atmosphere, like, or meteorology, the study of weather's process, various type of gases and layer of the atmospheric is studied. The distance between layers and so many gases in the atmosphere, they studied in atmosphere geography. The study of the weather process, together the climatology, the analysis of climate or average weather, is a major aspect of study in physical geography. The layer of gases involving the earth, it is a composed of nitrogen near about 78%, oxygen near about 20.95%, argon 0.03%, and carbon dioxide is 0.03%. Together, it will small property of the other gases and varying amount of the water vapor. Some solid particles from such a source, volcanic eruptions, sea salt, wind blow, dust are also contained in the atmosphere, lies within a 29th kilometer of the earth's surface of the earth. It is outer edge lies about 10,000 kilometers. There are the lowest of which is the troposphere here. The troposphere म्हणजे the near about the earth, surrounding the layer of troposphere, the in which the meteorological phenomena occurs. Above this lie the stereosphere, mesosphere and thermosphere. Okay. Then the it is the important branch of physical. It deals with study of climates. It is a study of climates and weather, temperatures, pressure, humidity and precipitations, etc. Their cause and improve on the natural environments, synoptic, descriptive, mathematics, statistic, micro, meso, local. These are the sub-branches of climatology. Then the another branch is hydrosphere. Here, the hydrological, the water cycle, the runoff water, underground water, the seas water and atmospheric waters, etc. The total water of surrounding the earth. This includes not only the surface water of ocean, sea, lake, ice cap, etc., but also atmospheric water and water below the earth's surface is including in hydrosphere. Another branch is oceanography. Here, ocean, seas. The scientific study of all aspects of ocean, including the nature of the water temperature, the temperature of waters, movements, depth, biology, various of species in ocean. This study in oceanography. Then the biosphere. The part of the earth is atmosphere, where living things and non-living things, this is the plants and water, soil, air, this is where the life is able to exist. The surface of the land and upper layer of the sea contain the greatest density of living organism. Biogeography, here the various species in various regions, found in various regions, various plant and animals, etc. The scientific study of distributions of species, plant and animals. Yeah. The many be a global or a local scale. Biogeography seek to explain an environmental factor, particularly a climate, soil and man. It is divided into a plant geography and zoo geography. In this, the plant geography, the various type of plants, the various type of species, etc. The study in plant geography. It is deal with the various aspect of plants life, that is distribution of plants, classification of plants, and the plant is environmental relationship involve evolution of origin of plant. Then the zoo geography, it deals with the distribution of aspect of animals. Here various region their animals found, and this life, these except in these regions correlate between climatical conditions, so many things. The origin of evolution and spread of animal species is studied in zoo geography. Okay, this is the reference, and in these lectures taken some photographs, www.google.com, and these some materials, these reference books, and wikipedia.org, this material taken and studied. Okay, thank you.